So hey guys, welcome back once again in this amazing video. And now in this video I am gonna discuss a topic, and that is about celebrity words. Okay, so first of all let me discuss it. When we use any celebrity words or any celebrities idioms or any celebrity phrases in our spoken English, then our spoken English become so familiar, so native and so fluent. We become so fluent after using that. It sounds very good. Okay, now before that, so this is Masum here. I hope already you have guys subscribed my channel, like on my videos, comment on my videos and share my videos. So okay, let's go ahead. So in English there is a word using by most popular celebrities, and the word is cherry pick. Okay, and the word is on your screen, the cherry pick, and this is a compound word which is a verb also, जो कि एक verb है. Okay, now what does it mean? It means in हिंदी में चुने, मतलब एक ग्रुप में से किसी भी चीज को चुन चुन के ले लेना जो बेहतरीन चीज है. ओके, to pick something or to pick someone, the best one which is best among the groups from a group. Okay, here is the example on your screen of a sentence like some people cherry pick the easy words and they avoid the tough ones. So what does it mean? It means कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, जो इजी वर्ड है वही यूज करते हैं और जो टफ वर्ड होते हैं उसको अवॉइड करते हैं, जैसे कि हम लोगों की तरह. सो इन दिस केस we use only our cherry pick words like easy words, then how it's possible that our spoken English can be good? So we need to use some kind of tough words, so as if our spoken English can sound very good. Okay, you can watch my previous videos to get some kind of ideas that can help you in your spoken English, as you can enhance your spoken English daily life. Okay, so do practice with me, with someone. One more thing, you can watch this video by using the subtitle which is already provided the YouTube. On the screen you can see that CC option. You can just click on the CC option to enable it. Okay, and I hope you guys already subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. See you on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Goodbye.